the second. No, this is the second and actually the last day of our tutor session. And for this day, ang scope natin is ang scope natin is dielectrics, currents, resistance, electromotive forces, and circuits. Direct circuits specifically. And let me just set up my presentation. No? Kita ba?
Yes po.
Alright. So, so let's start our review session with our first topic, dielectric materials. So, ano nga ba mga dielectric materials? Well, unang-una, they're insulators, so they don't allow the flow of current. However, they do store charges, as you can see here, and they allow electric fields to be polarized, and as you can see in this picture. And ano pala tong picture na to? It's like a two-plate capacitor. And actually, na-discuss natin last time yung capacitance kahapon. And alam natin na ratio siya between the charge and the voltage. Ano lang, quick recap. So anyways, so sa side na to, merong positive na charge. Tapos dito, may nakastore na negative charge. And may electric field na nagpo-flow in this direction from positive to negative. Tapos in turn, may mga popolarize siya. Yung field sa gitna. Ito yung significant the electric field. Mostly ang equation dito is in relation lang to sa capacitance na inano ko yesterday. Is, eto, given yung area and yung distance between the two plates. Tapos, i-compute lang natin yung capacitance. Pero, we're gonna introduce a new concept. And that's the dielectric constant. Oh, medyo malabo yung pagkita no equation sa... Malabo ba yung equation din sa... Ano yung ko na? This is supposed to be kappa. Equals to epsilon over epsilon naught. Sa epsilon naught, na-discuss ko na to kahapon. It's the vacuum permittivity. And ito yung value niya. So, okay. So, itong kappa, or the dielectric constant, ratio siya between yung permittivity ng material and the permittivity of the vacuum. Ano, usually pag magbibigay ng example lang ganito sa mga quizzes and exams, given na yung mode, yung permittivity ng vacuum, it's a constant, so matik na. So pag hinihingi yung dielectric constant, ito lang gagawin nyo. You're gonna get the ratio. Alright, let's move over to this next concept. It's current. Ano siya? Ang magandang analogy dito, okay, I'm gonna use, just like yesterday, I'm gonna use some kinematics and dynamics analogies so you can better comprehend them. It's like water flowing in a pipe at a certain time. Di ba kapag sa mga pipe, may mga tubig na dumadali doon. Minimeasure ng, parang ganun yung ano, pero in this case, instead of water, it's charge. Ito yung ano niya, specific na ano niya, it's charge over time. So, ang magiging unit niya is coulombs per second or amperes. So, ayun. Tapos, ang direction niya is from, sorry. Magiging direction ng flow ng current is from the positive side to the negative side. Kasi inaano niya is mga electrons. I mean, yeah. Usually pag currents, yung flow ng electrons ang inaano natin. And kunyari we have a battery here. So, ang flow of current niya is from the plus side to the minus side. Bakit yun yung case? Kasi di ba pag electrons, they're at... Ah, wait. Sorry. Electrons. Ano pala? Sorry. It's protons. The flow of protons. Sorry. Let me rephrase what I've said. So, ang current is the flow of protons. Kasi di ba ang opposite charges attract. So, yung protons na manggagaling dito sa plus side, mag-push siya to the negative side. Tapos, meron din another way to solve for the current, and that's this number. This equation pala. This is the drift velocity. And the drift velocity is, ayun yung average velocity ng mga charged particles ito sa, ano, ito sa wire. Tapos yung area, it's just the area. Oh, hello, sorry. Ano pala ako. Naka-off mic ako. So, tong N, okay, Q is charge, A is area, N. N is like the number of electrons. So, kung tatlo yung electrons, N is 3, pag apat, N is 4, and so on and so on. Tapos, meron din current density, amount of current per area. So, as you'd expect, ang magiging equation niya is just the ratio between the two. So, it's current over area. And the alternative na equation niya, matatanggal lang itong area kasi maka-cancel out siya. Tapos, we have, unahin natin yung resistivity. Ano siya? It's the ability of, something to resist the, flow ng electric field. And usually it's equals to electric field over the current density. Ito yung formula. Tapos, pwede natin siya express in terms of resistance. And resistance is, yung resistivity siya with respects to the length and the area ng wire. So, mapansin nyo, proportional yung resistance sa length. So, kung mas mahaba yung length ng wire, mas mahaba yung resistance. Pero inversely proportional siya sa area. So, kung mas malaki yung area ng... Oh, when I say area pala in this context, I meant the cross-sectional area. So, like, i-rotate natin yung view niya. At, kunyari circular yung wire. Ayan. Ito yung area. Dito sa equation na. So, kung mas malaki yung area ng wire, so mas thicker siya, mas onti yung resistance. Kasi, mas, yung pag-flow ng mga charges. Tapos, itong picture na to on the left, nakapag-lab activity naman na kayo, no? So, you know what this is? It's a resistor. Tapos, itong apat na bands, they're like the amount of resistance in a resistor. So, the first two digits, they're the value of, sila yung parang first two significant figures. Tapos, itong third, it's the exponent. Raised to something, kunyari. Ang resistance natin is red, orange, red, tsaka gold. Ang red is 1. Actually, each color has a designated number. You can Google it up. And actually, pero hindi naman yun lumalabas sa mga, like, it's just a useful information. So the red and the orange, they represent, okay, wait, correction pala. Red is 2 pala, not 1. And orange is 3. So, 23 ang savings niya. Times 10 raised to, ito, red is 2 again. So, 10 squared. Tapos tong gold, ito yung pang-apat. Minsan may mga 5, katulad nito nasa picture, 5 yan. Pero iba na yung definition of it. Pero yung tinuturo sa atin is 4 digits lang. Yung gold, yung pang-apat, it's either gold, silver. Yeah, it's just gold and silver. In this case, it's gold, so 5. That's 5%. Ayun yung para proxy. So, ayun. Any questions pala? Hello? Wala naman yata nag-ano sa akin. Ay, teka, naririnig ba ako? Oh, wait, narinig sa akin. Okay, wala. Tapos, focus naman tayo dito sa equation na to. This is just Ohm's law. So, inaano niya lang yung relation ng voltage, current, and resistance. Usually, may triangle pa kaya eh. So, if you're gonna find the resistance, it's V over I. Tatakpan mo si R. Tapos pag si I ang nawawala, si I tatakpan mo, V over R. Tapos pag si V naman ang hahanapin, I times R. Ayun yung personal na mnemonic na ginagamit ko. Ano, I think grade 9 or grade 10 na ano siya. Tapos we have power. So, naturo naman sa inyo sa kinematics and dynamic sense that power is just work over time. In this context, alam natin na the voltage is the potential energy over, oh wait, no, not no. Ano siya? The, the potential is just potential energy over, and we're gonna divide that by, since power ito. Pero wait. Okay. Okay, wait, from top. So voltage is just the over the charge. Tapos, since power, ang ano natin, power is, pero alam natin na, okay, na ano, alam natin na ang work in this case, the potential energy, it's V times Q. Ayun, V times Q, because V is, ayan. So, yan na natin siya. Pero ang Q over time, that's just the current. So, dun siya magagaling. Alternatively, we can express this in terms of just the kung current and resistance lang ang given. We know that V is equals to I times R. So, pwede yun ang substitute natin yan. Kaya, I squared times R. Or alternatively, we know that I is equal to V over R. So, substitute natin si yun dito sa expression na to. And we get this. So, any of these three equations will do. It depends on the given in a specific question. And we can also express power in terms of the electromotive force. We substituted the electromotive force sa sa voltage. Which is, dito siya galing. Teka, alam mo na ang electromotive force? Alam ko ay yun. Na-sense nyo kayo. So, ang electromotive force is siya yung parang energy na natatransfer ito sa circuit per, per charge. Ayun. Ayun siya. Tapos, kaya plus or minus to kasi it depends if nag-enter or nagli-leave yung depende kung nag-enter or nagli-leave yung hello, sorry. So, kapag minus, ano siya, yung potential input. So, pag V minus, times that, that's the potential. Tapos pag V plus IR, that's the potential. Tapos, okay, ito, may example problem. Light bulb labeled 60 watts. Watts pala is standard unit for power. Ayun, nagtag ko natin. Hindi ko nasabi kanina. Watts for power. Tapos pag resistance, it's ohms. Tapos current amperes. Ayun. So 60 watts, 120 volts as a resistance. So given si power, 60 is given si ohms. Alam natin na B is equals to B squared over R. So let's just do some workaround. Magiging R equals B squared over B. In this case, ang makuha natin na B squared is plus 40,400 over 60. So, magiging resistance natin is 40 ohms. Ito ang symbols for ohms pala. So, yeah. So, wait. Bago tayo mag-move on sa circuits, may tanong kayo sa currents, resistance, and EMF. Kahit mag-chat na lang kayo sa ano, sa private message. Alright, alright. So, let's move on to the next circuits. So ano siya, closed path siya kung saan nag-flow yung electricity. And, nakalagay na natin. And actually, you can see circuits everywhere around you. Like, itong sa house nyo, yung mga wires na nag-power sa lights, yung sa TV nyo, sa refrigerator nyo. Yeah, they're all technically circuits. And pinapower sila ng isa source, like a battery. Ito ang symbol pala sa battery. May plus and minus. Tapos, ito ang symbol sa resistor. Tapos, may, meron din marami yan eh. Pero we'll just go over the basics. May voltmeter and ammeter. Medyo self-explanatory kung ano minimeasure nila. Voltmeter measures volts. Ammeter measures amperes or the current. Tapos, ayun lang. Tapos, today we're going to discuss the two types of circuits. We have the series circuit and we also have a parallel circuit. So, medyo kita naman sa ano no, kung ano yung pinagkaiba. Pag series, ano lang siya, isang flow. Tapos pag parallel, divide pa siya further into different directions. Tsaka parallel yung ano. So, ayun, dali naman yun. Oh, this is supposed to be a battery din. Yung pinagawa ng passive source din. Pero, clear on that. Kapag ganito, ang current niya is actually just equal. Ultra. So, kung anong current niya dito, ay din current niya dito, and then dito, and dito na. Sa balik. Tapos, ano niya, voltage niya, ano, yung cumulative voltage that takes to, for each resistor, yan si P sub 1, P sub 2, P sub 2. Ang total voltage ng circuit na to is just their sum. Ganun din sa resistance. Sum lang. So, kunyari, binigay na current is 2A. And consistent na siya throughout the entire, kasi series yung circuit. Tapos, sorry, ang bigay dito is, say 20 ohms, 30 ohms is then 10 ohms. So, hanapin natin yung total na resistance. Actually, madali lang sa case. It's just the sum of their, so it's 20, it's 10, it's 30, 60. So, we're gonna multiply it to the, current. So, ang total na, niya is just 120. Yun yun. Tapos, ang division niya per resistor is just, ano, is equals to I times R. So, ayun na lang. 20 times 2, dito 40 volts, so 20 volts, tapos dito 60 volts. Ayan. Tapos, sa parallel, dito ang equal is voltage. So, kunyari, 20 volts, ito. Ang marireceive nito is 20 volts din. Ito, 20 volts din. And ito. Yan. Tapos ang current, siya naman yung mag-a-add. So, ang current nito, tsaka current nito, and current nito is, para makuha mo yung total current, just add these individual currents. Tapos, parang nagpalit lang yung voltage and current. Dito sa series, yung voltage ang i-add up, tapos yung current equal. Dito, yung voltage equal, tapos yung current i-add up. Pero sa resistors, medyo, iba yung case. Para makuha mo yung total na, the reciprocal of the total resistance is equal to the reciprocal of the first, plus the reciprocal of the second, and the third. Ayan. Tapos, sige, bigay tayo example. So, 15 volts. And consistent na siya all throughout. Tapos, meron tayo, nyari, 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 10 ohms, tsaka 5 ohms. Para makuha natin yung total niya, let's just add it up. 1 over total. 1 plus 20 over 1 plus 10 over 1 plus 5. Tapos, hold on, let me get my count. Okay, so ang magiging resistance nito is around 7 over 20. Ay, hindi, 20 over 7 pala. Or around 2 point, since 266 tayo, let's make it 2 point. So, total resistance. Tapos, we're gonna get the total current is by dividing per 2.3. So, makuha natin is 5.2 amperes. Ito ang total na current. Pero ano ang kada niya, component niya for each of these? Ano lang, di ba, current is equals to V over R. So, that's what we're going to do. Dito, 15 over 20. So, 0.72. Dito, 15 over 10. This is 1.5 plus 15 over 5. This is 3. Ideally, pag in-add natin to together, dapat similar sa total number. So, if we add, kasi di ba yung the total current is the sum of it, sum of the individual currents. So, if we add 0.75 and 1.5 and 3, we're gonna get 5.25 or 5.3. Hindi siya identical dito sa 5.2 na na-compute natin kasi we're considering the significant figures. But it's similar enough that we can confidently say na tama yung makakuha natin. So, ayun. May questions ba? Okay, nandiyan sa akin. Bakit 20 over 7? Oo, nireciprocal yung 7 over 20. Wait, rewrite ko yung 1 over total. Resistance equals to 1 over resistance. Yeah, kaya siya 20 over 7. Ano meaning ng dotted line doon sa parallel? Ano yan? Parang, ibig sabihin, this goes on and on. So, maaaring may kaya na pa dyan, resistor, tapos meron pa dyan sa, ayun lang naman meaning na ito. Okay, I should have used a better image for reference. Ito kasi yung nahanap ko. Pero, yun lang meaning na ito. Parang it goes parallel, circuits goes on and on. Hanggang sa R sub n, which is yung pang n na resistor. Tapos, oh, here's a table para ma-sum up everything na sinabi ko kanina. Meron din sa capacitance. And, may mga tanong sa exam na magtatakal sa capacitance. Ganito lang din yung, parang nagpalit sila ng resistance sa series and sa parallel. Kasi ang resistance, pag series, you add them up. Sa parallel, you get the reciprocal. Dito, sa capacitance, baliktad. Sa series, you get the reciprocal. Sa parallel, you add them up. Ayun na lang siguro yung magandang mnemonic. Pag current, equal sa series, add sa parallel. Pag voltage, add sa series, equal sa parallel. Pag resistance, add sa series, reciprocal sa parallel. Tapos pag capacitance, reciprocal sa series, tapos add sa parallel. Magandang mnemonic siya, if ever. Tapos, sa capacitance, sinabi na to yesterday, Q over V lang siya. Yun yung relation niya sa voltage. Tapos pag gusto niyo mo siya kunin with respect to either current or resistance, ano lang, Q over, sorry. Yan. Tapos, oh, we have a example here. Find the total resistance. Okay, may nag-chat. Paano pag ganito? Kasi sa exam, hindi naman series lang, hindi naman parallel lang. Ito halo. May series siya, which is ito. Hold on. Ito, panggulo to. Tapos, meron din siya parallel. Ito. Pag ganyan, ang mas magandang approach, nahin natin ano, yung mga naka-branch off. Lalo na pag medyo mas complex, kunyari, ganito, tapos ganyan, tapos ganyan. I guarantee you, may ganito lalabas sa exam. Pero ang strategy dun is, priority mo muna itong mga naka-branch off. Kunin mo yung total resistance ng individual resistors. Tapos dito, until eventually, itong main na circuit. Okay, back to the problem. So, kunin natin yung total resistance ng tatlong to para we're gonna treat that total resistance as just one resistor. So, magiging, ito na lang siya. 5 volts, R1, as Rn. Wherein Rn is yung total neto tatlong. Iisa na lang siya. Ayun. Ayun yung strategy pag mag-isa nyo ito. Kunin yung total neto, naka-branch off. And then, treat it as one. And then, okay, anyways, since parallel to, we're gonna get it through the reciprocal total. Ideally, dapat makuha nyo dyan na answer. 20. Tama, 20 ba nakuha nyo? Ano, paki-cross-ref na. 20, nakuha nyo. Okay, 20. So, since 20 ohms, alam na natin value nito. It's 20 ohms. Ayun yung total netong tatlo. And we compress them into a single resistor with a resistance of 20 ohms. So, wala na. So, ang natira na lang, isa tong series na to. And alam natin, pag series ng resistance, i-add lang together. So, 30 plus 20 is 50. 50 ohms. So, ito ang total. Ayun. 50 ohms. Ano, sa bonus exercise, try din natin hanapin yung current. Alam na natin na 50 ohms. Mas alam natin na 20 ang combined na ano na yun. Pero what about the current? Alam natin kapag series, equal ang currents. So, ang current na marireceive neto ay sa point is equal to the current na marireceive ng sum neto. Okay, bakit dalawa si R sub? Let's make this R sub 4. My bad. Ayan. So, paano natin aalamin yung distribution? So, alam natin na I equals to P over R. And that's just 5 over 50 is equal to 0.1 ampere. So, 0.1 ang total na. So, 0.1 ang amperes neto. Tapos 0.1 ang ampere, ito total na to. Pero paano ang specific na current ng each individual resistor? Dapat na magiging sum nila is 0.1. Sige, sige. Pero para makuha natin yun, dapat maninin muna natin. Actually, unahin natin yung voltage. Oh, mas madali pag voltage. So, alam natin na okay, yung voltage naman ang equal kapag parallel. So, equal ang makukuha nito. Tapos kung ano man yung equal na yan, pag inad natin dito sa R sub 1, magiging 5. So, ito, ang magiging voltage nito is just 0.1 times 30. So, makuha natin na voltage is 3. Nag-gets niyo ba 3? Kasi 0.1 amperes times 30. Yan total natin na voltage is 5. Therefore, alam natin na 2 volts ito. And 2 volts itong tatlong to. Ayun. Okay, kaya pala. Wait, nag-comment. Okay. Now that alam na natin yung ano niya, let's just do I equals V over R. So, 2 over 30. That's just 1 over 15 or 0.06. Tapos, 2 over 150. 0.01. And 2 over 100 is 0.02. Dapat pag inad natin to 0.1 makukuha. Let's try it. Okay, 0.1 ng sum niya. Chinek ko sa calculator. So, yan, tama. Tama na. Ito, yan ang respective values. Okay, nagets nyo naman, no? Wala naman na kayo questions and inquiries. Alright. Then dun lang yung okay, medyo mabilis tayo natapos ngayon. Surprisingly. Ang aga natin. Recap ko lang pala everything na we've done so far. While I'm recapping, you can take the time to formulate your questions. So, yung mga dielectric materials, for example, itong parallel plate, they're insulators, so they don't allow electric charge, but they do allow electric fields to flow, and they cause electric fields to become polarized. They store charges on their plates. Ang equation nito is parang is related lang sa capacitance kasi it involves storage of charges. We have the dielectric constant. Ito yung ratio ng permittivity ng isang dielectric material sa permittivity na vacuum, which is ito. We have current, flow of electric charge. It's just charge. The change in charge over the change in time. Tapos, its standard unit is amperes. Can be calculated through the number of electrons times the charge times the drift velocity times the area. Thus, we can get its density, current density by dividing the current to the area, getting this equation. We have resistivity, which determines ano, how much a charge can resist the charge can resist electric field. Tapos, through that, we can get the resistance, which is proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the area. Thus, we have power, which is just voltage times the current. And ito may mga, here are the other equations where you can get the power to modify Ohm's law. Ohm's law, by the way, is just resistance equals voltage over current. And then we have circuits, closed wires where nagpa-flow dun yung current. They can be series or parallel or a mixture of both. Ano, sa mga exam, a mixture of both ilalabas. Tulad ng in-example mo. Tapos, in a series, in a series, the current is equal throughout. Resistance and voltage, their total is just the sum of the individual parts. And the total capacitance has a reciprocal sum. Sa parallel naman, total current is just the sum of the individual currents. Resistance is the sum of the reciprocals. The voltage is equal, and the capacitance total is just the sum of the individual capacitance. And ayun, ang aga natin ngayon. Ito lang kasi yung reason nakuha ko ang email. Ito ang scope from dielectrics up to direct current circuits. Meron pa yung alternating, pero hindi na siya scope based na sa email. So, ito lang. Okay, may tanong. Can you repeat the formula for capacitance circuits? Here, kapag series, the reciprocal of the total is the sum of the reciprocal individual capacitance. Tapos pag parallel, yung sum lang, individual capacitance. Tapos sa example, kaya ba 20 volts ang ginamit for parallel instead na 1 over. Oo, si, oo, kaya 20 volts. Wait, ano number pala? Ay, ano example? Ito ba yun? Ano, it's not volts. I think it's ohms. Kaya 20 ohms ang ginamit sa parallel. Ay, hindi. Kaya 20 ohms in total na ito, inat na lang diretso dito, hindi na kinuha yung reciprocal kasi series na lang siya. Kasi na-combine na natin itong R2, R3, and R4 into a single resistor with a resistance of 20. And since series na siya, we just add it as per the table. Ayan. Tapos, wow, we finished earlier than expected. I was expecting this. So, ayun. Thank you for listening. Thank you for attending both yesterday and today. I hope you learned a lot. And for the reference, there's ayoko ma-accuse ng plagiarism. I just used images from Canvas and Wikipedia. Doon ko kinuha yung mga photos sa bawal. Tapos, ayun, obligatory thank you message. Thank you for listening. If you need help, you can message me. You know my messenger because I'm literally part of the GC. And if you need any help, you can just message me. I'm one click away. And I'll be sending later a problem set for this day. I know it's also short. It's not that long. You can answer it as a quiz. And also, I'll lend you the formula sheet I used last year in my first year when we were discussing this stuff. May formula sheet ako. And ayun, I'm passing the torch. You guys can have it. Kakalkalin ko yung laptop ko. Hanapin ko yung notes ko na yun at set ko sa GC. Can use it. Nandun na yung summarized na formulas na ginamit ko sa PowerPoint na yun. So, again, thank you guys. And, okay, may nanghihingi ng recording from yesterday and today. Hindi ako yung nagre-record actually. I don't know who's doing the recording, but yeah, you can just ask them, whoever's recording. For the
Hello everyone. Thank you po for attending our today's SX for biology students, and we hope that you learn and hit us up na lang po if you have questions for your long exam. We wish you good luck po for your long exams. Sana makauna tayong lahat. Thank you rin po for LRC and our tutor for today, Zachary Masangkay. And thank you so much. Sorry, medyo not good, not feeling good right now. And stay safe, guys.